Hi everyone, Divya Pandit here. So here we start with our next zodiac sign, that is Capricorn. Capricorn 2025 January. So let's see what we have for Capricorns. So Capricorns right now feeling very emotional, in a celebration mood, when wants to start the new year with a blast, having parties, going out, meeting friends, that kind of an energy. Their work is totally in their control right now. Okay. The first week you are feeling totally in control, like I said. You want to, like, you're more in your mind space. Like, I am in all control and everything in my life. Also, there could be a boss, elder brother, somebody male who is elder to you, trying to control the situation, dominate. Okay. Probably this person wants something from you. Okay. You could also be that person, because you also feel totally in control of your work. Okay. Second week is all about feeling a little in a low phase, where you feel like you're looking at things that you have lost in your life. This didn't happen. Oh, looking in the past, feeling little disappointed around a lot of things in your life. Like, when we are moving forward in our life, we tend to think of all the people we have lost in the past. So you're thinking about those memories with your brothers, sisters, old friends, or maybe you're meeting them often. That is why it's taking you in that kind of a spiral, thinking, little feeling little low kind of an energy. That whole week will go on with all this. But however, this thing is happening because you are moving forward in life and there is a new beginning. Okay. The third week is all about you visiting spiritual places, you becoming that spiritually totally connected person. You're also very um, in your that state of mind where you are being a little terror to others, that you want all your work done properly, and I want things proper way. And also you have your spiritual discipline totally in your mind, and you're just telling everybody also to follow that. So yes, you're being very strict, disciplined, and totally about your rules and regulations. And yeah, that's a good thing, because the more you are in discipline and you're in your rules and regulations, you always progress in life. Okay. Fourth week is all about a lot of options coming your way, and very quickly your work is also happening very fast. Okay. You will get a lot of offers also at that time of work to generate more money. Okay. Also, I feel there'll be a lot of people who will be contacting you. You'll be meeting people almost every day, contacting you for work space. And also probably because you become very attractive right now, because you are totally in your power in your workspace. So sometimes, what happens is, when you're totally in your power, you're working, you're like, all like, your face is glowing, you become so attractive in your workspace. That is going to plus. Please be careful of someone who might try to go behind your back and try to sabotage your position. And this is a female. Okay. Now let me see one thing. Yeah, she will be able to do it. So you have to be a little careful. Okay. You have to be careful. The more you stand in your power, and the more you don't give in to the manipulation, the safer you're going to be. Right? So this was the reading for Capricorns. Let's see what we have in your relationship area. All right. Now let me see. Okay, let's start with people who are in commitment. Their relationship is going to be a dream come true. Up till now, what you've not been acknowledged or seeing in your relationship with your partner, it's going to be very, very beautiful and very, very fruitful. Okay. Somewhere all your dreams will come true when it comes to your relationship area, what you wanted to do with your partner. But at the same time, you are not ready to see the negative side of your partner. You're not ready to acknowledge that. So that means that one is becoming a fool, right? You have to acknowledge the negative side and see the positive side of, so that you don't get manipulated here. See, it's not about having the right partner or having the wrong partner. Your partner will walk with boundaries with you if you set those boundaries, no matter how intimate and close you are. Right? If you have set your boundaries right, this is going to be awesome. If you're not, then you might become an emotional fool. People who are single are trying to balance their relationships with people. They're strengthening bonds everywhere. Probably they're still not going on for commitment. I feel they're still confronting themselves. They are healing their inner child or inner adult. They are moving on from a lot of toxic relationship, toxic people that they were around and they could not attract the right relationship. They're still healing. I feel they're still healing, and there's a lot of self-love energy over here. So probably they're taking a step towards themselves more than towards anyone else, right? So that is a beautiful reading, and let's see what we have for you, my tribe, my Capricorns, as a message from the universe. Dive each other's space. Wow, what's that? A lot of stars. Sometimes it's hard to work out our differences when we don't have enough space. So take a step back to create room for authentic conversations. Perhaps you need to consult with the therapist to guide you through the emotional thicket, or maybe you just need some new tools for healthy communication. Whatever it is, don't try to fix it right now. Give each one space. So probably this message could be for people who are in commitment, or people who are, this message could be for anyone. Give space to each other, give space to yourself, give space to your relationships around. This could be any relationship. This could be a lover's relationship, parents, brothers, sisters, friends, somebody you're thinking about right now, your boss, your colleague, anybody. Give space to people and give space to yourself. Then only things will work out. That's what the universe is saying. That's nice, and that's all for today. Don't forget to subscribe, share this video with your family and friends, and follow me on Twitter, that means X, Facebook and Instagram. I have 2 pages. One is a product page, Willow by Divya Pandit. That's all for today. Goodbye, God bless. Bye-bye.